you may be asking what keeps me going. The answer is my respiratory and circulatory system. In today's video, we'll be diving in depth to see what happens inside the human body.
Now you may be wondering, how does our body maintain homeostasis with gas exchange? First, we inhale oxygen from the air through our nose or mouth cavity, which hits the back of our throat. This is called the pharynx, which eventually goes past the larynx or the voice box. Then the oxygen goes down the trachea or the windpipe. From the trachea, the oxygen splits into two bronchi, soon into smaller passageways called bronchioles. Finally, the alveoli obtains oxygen from the bronchioles. When inhaling, lungs expand and contract as the volume of the chest cavity increases and the air pressure decreases. Since alveoli are the sites of gas exchange, the high concentration of oxygen diffuses into the bloodstream, which is carried by a red blood cell, making the blood oxygenated.
The capillaries, or small blood streams leading to the arteries or veins, connect to the pulmonary veins, which bring oxygenated blood to your heart, specifically the left atrium. The blood then goes to the left ventricle. Left ventricle, the oxygenated blood goes up to the aorta, the largest artery in the body. The aorta leads to other arteries that deliver oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body except the lungs. From there, the red blood cells deliver the oxygen to the body cells, which undergo cellular respiration to make ATP or energy for the body. Now that the oxygen has left the blood, it is deoxygenated. Carbon dioxide, one of its components, diffuses from the cell into the bloodstream to reach the lungs. Bloodstream carbon dioxide travels through the capillaries, which lead to the veins connecting to the vena cava, or the largest vein in the body. The vena cava, both superior and inferior, bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart, specifically the right ventricle. Soon, the deoxygenated blood moves up to the right atrium into the pulmonary arteries, back to the pulmonary capillaries, where gas exchange with oxygen occurs.
Carbon dioxide in the blood diffuses into the alveoli and moves up from the bronchioles into the bronchi, to the trachea, to the larynx, and into the pharynx, and finally exhaled from the nose or mouth cavity. This is exhaling carbon dioxide. Exhaling, lungs collapse and relax as the volume of the chest cavity decreases and the air pressure increases. From the trachea, the oxygen splits into two bronchi.
Did I? Soon the deoxygenated blood. Oh my god. The deoxygenated blood moves up to the right atrium into the pulmonary artery. Whoa!
We had so much fun making this video.
Like and subscribe, and drop one big boom down in the comment section.
Running into you, I'm a